In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build the perfect Notion habit tracker. A perfect Notion habit tracker is a simple system inside your Notion workspace that helps you log daily and weekly habits, see your streaks at a glance, and stay motivated. Think of it as a flexible template you can duplicate and shape to your routine. At its core are checkboxes and a few formulas that do the heavy lifting for you. When you mark a habit complete, your progress updates automatically, your streak counter advances, and your overall hit rate adjusts, so you don't have to calculate anything by hand. To make your progress visible, pair your main table with a calendar view. Seeing completed days in a calendar instantly shows where your streaks are strong and where they slipped. Add progress bars or simple percentage fields to the table to show completion rates across the week or month. Those visuals turn raw data into feedback you can act on. Personalization is what makes this tracker powerful. You can track multiple habits across categories, health, learning, work, or anything else, then filter or group them to match how you think. Rename properties so they make sense to you, and keep your labels short so your views stay clean. Motivation and reflection go hand in hand. Keep a visible streak counter to reward consistency, and include a short daily reflection prompt. A sentence or two about what helped or what got in the way will make your patterns obvious over time, and those notes are searchable later when you want to review. Design matters more than you might expect. A minimalist layout, few colors, clear headings, and consistent icons keeps your focus on doing the habits, not fiddling with the interface. If every view looks calm and predictable, you'll use it more often. Finally, make your tracker work at multiple scales. Switch between daily, weekly, and monthly views to zoom in on today's tasks or zoom out to see long-term trends. A weekly view is great for checking hit rates, while a monthly view surfaces streaks and gaps. If you track many habits, consider grouping them by category in your table view and hiding rarely used properties to reduce clutter. And if mornings and evenings feel different, a filtered view for each time of day can keep your checklist lightweight without breaking the analytics that run in the background. With automated updates, visual feedback, customization, reflection, and a clean design, your Notion habit tracker becomes a reliable companion. Start simple, review your data regularly, and adjust the views until they fit the way you live.